English Fast, helping learners of English build vocabulary fast. CEFR A2. I don't mind. Pass. Reason. I don't mind. I don't mind is a phrase. A2 learners usually know I don't mind. At A2, I don't mind shows that the choice is not important when replying to an offer or suggestion. Here are some examples. Do you prefer tea or coffee? I don't mind. I don't mind if you stay here while I go to the shops. Shall we stay in or go out this evening? I don't mind, it's up to you. Pass. Pass is a verb. A2 learners usually know pass. At A2, to pass is to succeed in a test or exam. Here are some examples. She wants to pass her driving test soon. He hopes to pass his theory test next week. If they revise well, the students will pass their end-of-year exams. Reason. Reason is a noun. A2 learners usually know reason. At A2, a reason is the fact why something happens or why somebody does something. Here are some examples. What is his reason for being so late? Today, with a new baby, we have a reason to celebrate. The reason why I didn't tell you is because you would be angry. Now, write some of your own sentences with I don't mind, pass and reason. Download the free A2 workbook from englishfast.co.uk. Subscribe on YouTube to learn more.